Alright y'all, welcome to Not So Simple Garage. If you like this channel or any of the content, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit the bell icon so you get notifications every time I post a video and you can get every update on this channel. I would really appreciate it. Leave a like if you like the video and comment anything you'd like. So thanks for watching and let's get to the video. Alright y'all, what's going on? So Not So Simple Garage here today. Got the steering wheel in my hand. I only have two hands and I gotta hold Red Bull, so it's just an RG steering wheel with a hub. It's not a quick release or anything, but basically right now I'm on my way to go and trade this for a stock 02 to 03 Momo steering wheel. And I know it's not a stock STI steering wheel, but it's gonna be a hell of a lot better than an aftermarket one. I just think aftermarket ones are complete trash. Sorry guys, it's gonna be dark in here. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see me, but basically I'm going to trade out this aftermarket steering wheel for the stock one. I know it's not a stock STI wheel, but that's okay because it's definitely just better than what this is. I'm trying to get the cruise control back into my car, so this is going to be the process of undeleting cruise control. Literally everything from my car is deleted. The cruise control module that's in the engine bay, which I believe attaches to the wiring harness, I would imagine, the cruise control button to the left of the steering wheel, and the cruise control switch, which stays on the STI or factory steering wheel. So I'm gonna get the stock wheel today and probably the cruise control button, but now I have to find that cruise control module for the engine bay, and then I think I should be able to have cruise control back. So if you're in this position and you're looking how to undelete it, I'll kind of walk you through it as much as I can. I'm going to be getting the steering wheel, the clock spring, basically everything that comes with the steering wheel, the airbag, all that good stuff. So here we go. Okay, so as you can see here, steering wheel's off. So I'm gonna grab a bag of tools, anything I might need. That way I'm nice and prepared. And yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, that should be everything we need. So let's go ahead and get to it.
It's like
I had to.
driver's ed.
How much you want for this guy right here?
Well, I mean, if you pull it off, $20.
For real?
Yeah. I don't care how you have to pull it off. Like, I don't care if you cut the fucking roof off or what you do.
I don't have my Sawzall or grinders.
I do. So.
No, it should be able to unbolt right here. So
Looks like somebody shot the window.
might have, honestly.
Yeah, this car did not really start five for the bike.
Yeah. This one here.
Yeah. So if you watch where you step on the floorboard, you'll probably pump through it.
Nice.
Where they bounce on the higher prices or stuff. That's in here.
Yeah. I think they sent a self tapper through from the bottom side, and then it's probably 3M taped on there. So obviously it's like ready. But honestly, if I'm
fuck your whole chassis up doing that.
yeah, if I'm paying $20, I wouldn't be too mad if I lost it. So
Yeah. It's carbon too, the center of it.
yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, they don't really come out. They just kind of
Just go like this and flip it, and then you know you're out.
Okay.
At least it was drilled twice, I guess. I guess it works like preemptive.
Got fucking stabbed again. Ow. That'd be glass. Yeah, there's glass in that fucking. Funny shit, huh?
Together we have a full brain cell. It's okay.
Like the only thing I'm really missing now is like finger lines.
Yeah. Those are the same two right there.
Yeah. Really having fucking trouble with this.
Yeah, it's not the rust. I mean, I think the only thing that's all I've heard about.
Hell yeah. Fucking wires. Time to get more glass in my ass.
You like it.
Yeah, love it. Ah, there we go. Okay. That's my first time ever dealing with clock spring and that shit. Like, I just hate how my blinkers don't flick back on their own. Shit drives me crazy. Yeah.
Anymore, it's so slow parting them out.
Yep.
Yeah, it's all either two.
Just use these last two. It's weird. Okay. So I think that's all I need.
Yep.
I don't think there's anything else I would need, but I might hit you up for those fender liners soon. How much would you want for those?
Oh, this seems like a crush on Wednesday.
Yeah. How much would you want for them?
I don't know if there's both. I mean, $10 a pop or. I don't know.
Do you take
I have them no
cash out?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can pop them off. I got the piano popper too if you really want to.
Okay. Might as well, dude.
Next week, he went and drove to work all the way and like, it was like an hour, almost 2 hours out. And then he calls me or texts me saying that the trans started grinding and
Okay. I think we're good now. I need to leave before I spend more money. All right, y'all. So we got a score here. So fender liner. I mean, you can see straight through here, right? That's ground. That's garage. So I got fender liners, $10 each. So that's $20 right there. As you saw, we took my NRG aftermarket steering wheel. We straight up traded it for this stock 02 WRX steering wheel with the airbag and the clock spring and everything that goes with it. So that should all just bolt right up. We'll kind of do a little test fit real quick. The biggest score, I got this for $20, and it's this sick ass top wing, and it sits roughly like that, right? something along these lines. So that's what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna sand the blue off here. This entire piece is carbon fiber. How much you think I paid for that? Let you take your guess. $20. I paid $20 for a carbon fiber top wing. I'm stoked about it. It just needs a little bit of sanding, some clear coat, and that thing is in super good condition. So that was a steal. So altogether, top wing fender liners, I paid $40 and straight across traded for a stock 02 WRX wheel, steering wheel, and the clock spring, which that stuff costs money. So let's go ahead and get over to installing this stuff. We'll just pop this steering wheel on real quick, see if it even slides over the splines, and we'll go from there. Okay, let's see if it'll even slide over the splines. Oh, she does. Beautiful. Look at that. And then just imagine this in there. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Looks stock. Hell yeah.